Today, we are going to teach you how to make focaccia molla di Bari style. Focaccia is an Italian flat-leavened, oven-baked bread, also known as pane, used as a side dish or sandwich bread. In my family, we all fight over the last piece. Here is what you will need. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 medium potato peeled, boiled, and mashed, 1 tablespoon of rapid rise yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, lukewarm water, 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, and dried oregano. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, yeast, potatoes, oil, and salt. Then add just enough warm water to create a dough. Then dump the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes, or until smooth and shiny. Next, place the dough into a lightly oiled bowl and cover with plastic wrap. Place the bowl in a warm spot in the kitchen and let rise until doubled in size, about an hour. After about 45 minutes, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, lightly oil a baking pan and press the dough in to fit. Then, press your fingertips over the top of the dough to create dimples. Now, squish your halved cherry tomatoes into the dough. Then, sprinkle with salt and oregano. These help bring out the flavor in the bread and tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil, rest for 30 minutes, and let the dough rise. Then, bake until golden brown, about 20 to 25 minutes. You might want to dig right into that delicious bread, but cool it to room temperature before slicing. Once cooled, slice, enjoy, and call your nonna.
I made focaccia! Yeah, see? Yeah? Not as good as yours!